So this is just a quick video to answer an email of a student who asked me if she has to make a building with 2 floors, if these 2 floors must be made in 2 different files or into one. And the answer is, of course, it must be made into same exact file. And the way it works is very simple. That is, you have just to go to your elevations down here. You have to check the height of each level. If you have a second floor, you need also to add another level. That is where the ceiling, or basically the roof maybe, of this secondary level will go. And let's say we just make this a little bit more precise. Exactly. So what we have to do is very simple. That is, we can make level 1 and we can start drawing level 1 as we know. And what I will do is, with these, I will make my outer walls. And what I mean, there are many ways to do it, but this is just a way that works. What I will do is I will select my walls and I will set their height not to be unconnected, but to reach my upper level, so level 3. Perfect. Then let's see this one. Then I have to make a floor. So I will make the floor by moving my mouse over one wall, by pressing tab, and I will select them all. And if I go to my 3D view, I will see that right now I've made just very tall walls, and I've made the floor that is on the ground. Then I just go to my level 1 and I can make, if I have inner walls, let's say, I can just quickly cut some rooms in here, stuff like this. Perfect. Then this is what happens. When I go to my level 2, I can see that these walls are very tall and I don't want them to be like this, so I can set these and I make the height till level 1. Okay. Sorry, not level 1, level 2. Sorry, my bad. Maybe I should cut this. And this is what I get. I have lower walls till here. Then in my level number 2, I can see them as grayish. If I make a floor now, look, I will select inner edges, click OK. Yes, and join elements, yes, to whatever. And I can still see that gray elements underneath in my floor plan, and I can make my upper walls. I can make them similar, I can make them not similar, but I can use them as reference to make something like this. So I can snap them so that I can create a certain continuity between lower and upper level. So when I go to my three-dimensional view, I will say this, and again I will just set the height of this wall to reach level 3. Boom! And this is what I have. Last but not least is that same student asked exactly how to make a hole in the floor to let the staircase passing through. So the thing was very simple, and it is this: when you make a floor and you draw boundaries, you can see that floor is made inside a closed magenta shape, and this is a solid object. But if inside this shape we draw another closed shape, and it can be whatever, can be even more than one, so we can have like a closed shape in here while we have another, I don't know, closed shape in here, and this time I will put a arc and then a line like this. So what we have is, and join elements, we have now that this floor is solid where it is blue, when it is selected, and those closed shapes we have cut inside are shapes that are creating holes through it, like this. So if there is an elevator, stairs, boom, this is the way to make it. Okay? Perfect. See you to next question. Ciao.